Hello everyone, this is chapter 20, pollution of water from class 8th. As we know students already that what is pollution? Pollution means addition of something unwanted, undesirable and harmful substances. So if we are talking about specifically the water pollution, then that means water pollution is the pollution when we are adding something unwanted, undesirable or foreign substances into the water which will change the normal properties of the water. So water pollution can be defined as change in the normal properties of the water due to the presence of some foreign materials or foreign substances. Those foreign materials or substances which make the water polluted are called water pollutants. Now, if we are given the sample of a water and to check whether it is a polluted water or not, then to check for the presence of pollutants in the water, we have to check for the normal properties of the water. These 5 properties, if we can find out in the water, then we can say that the water is polluted. If the water is having a bad taste, or it is having some offensive odor, or if there is unchecked growth of the aquatic weeds in the water bodies, if there is decrease in the number of fishes in the fresh water or river, or if we can see that there are oil or grease particles which are floating on the water surfaces, then we can say that there is change in the normal properties of the water, and that means the sample of the water is a polluted water. For water pollution, the main causes these are very general, which you know already. The first one, that all the kinds of human activities, like if we bath or if we wash our clothes or if we wash our vehicles, if we wash our pet animals in the river bodies or in the water bodies, then it will make the water polluted. Another is if the industries, they throw their waste into the water bodies without giving them any treatment, then it is also the main cause of water pollution. The agricultural waste like the fertilizers and pesticides, when they are sprayed in the fields, they seep into the ground and they reach to the underground water. This underground water, when it is used for drinking purposes or any other purposes by the humans, then they will enter into the human body and harm them. So it is not good for the health of the humans. Sometimes these fertilizers and pesticides, they often reach to the nearby water bodies also, and these chemicals, they can affect or they can harm both the aquatic animals as well as plants. The next or the fourth cause of the water pollution is that the domestic sewage from our houses in the cities, that is also dumped finally into the rivers without giving them any treatment. This will lead to the promotion to the growth of many harmful bacteria and algae in the water. These algae and the bacteria, which you can see in the picture also, they will use up a large amount of dissolved oxygen in the water bodies, and that is why it will lead to the depletion of oxygen in the water, and therefore it can lead to death of the aquatic animals. The next cause of the water pollution can be that when crude oil is transported from the oil wells to the mainland, then during that period, if the oil spills from the oil tankers, it will be spilled in the oceans, and that is why it will cause damage to the marine life. Another important cause is that sometimes due to air pollution, there can be acid rain. That acid rain, when falls and enter into the water bodies, then that will affect the pH, or that will not be a good pH for the normal aquatic life, and that is why that will make the river water acidic, and which is very harmful for the aquatic animals as well as plants. So these are the various causes of the water pollution. In the next video, we will talk about the potable water. Thanks for watching.